Hi everyone, today's card creation is brought to you for the Wow Embossing Powder Design Team.
We're going to be using this butterflies die, which is like a cover plate, and then also this You Can Fly stamp set. We're going to use the sentiments for there. I've got the Cloud 9 embossing glitter, which is absolutely stunning, and what we're going to do is we're going to coat this whole card front with embossing glitter. And that's right, we're going to make our own whole piece of glitter cardstock. So I'm going to be, well, here I am pressing really firmly the embossing pad from Wow, and I'm just going to coat this really heavily. I have got a piece of white just copy paper, and I'm just protecting my surface, and I'm just using it as a protection there. Now I'm going to open that up because I'm going to use this to funnel back in and catch all the actual excess glitter, and I'm just going to pour this whole embossing jar all over it, and you can see already. The beauty about the embossing glitter is once you've heat set this, it actually doesn't move. You don't wear it, which is nice. And I'm going to make sure I cover this absolutely completely. And then now I'm going to heat set that. This is the new Wow heat tool. It's got dual speed. Absolutely beautiful, and it works like a charm. So basically I'm going to heat this whole panel up. I am going to fast forward this because it's basically it is really quick, but I am doing a whole panel, so I didn't really want to bore you too much. So once that's heat set, and you can see it's like your own cardstock. It's beautiful. I'm going to run this cover plate through the Big Shot, and it die cuts also the rectangle, so it's like a peekaboo frame. I'm going to give it a little bit of a shake, and it's going to come away really easily. I'm going to use liquid adhesive. You can see now these butterflies, they don't pop out. The center part of the butterflies all stay connected, so it's basically adds a little bit of dimension. Isn't it fabulous, this die? So I'm going to add liquid adhesive around the butterflies and the edges. I'm not going to adhere the butterflies down because I'm going to pop up the wings. So I'm going to use liquid adhesive on a white top folding card panel. I am going to leave it for a couple of seconds with the clear block just to add some weight, and then I'm going to pop up each individual wings. And look how stunning that looks. So shimmery, so glittery, beautiful. It is a very glittery card. I've got some designer series paper here, and I'm just going to cut these out. This small butterfly also comes in that cover plate set. And then I'm going to stamp the sentiment. I've used my Misty here as I felt like I needed to use a die ink, and because of that I really wanted to get good coverage. So I've got the soft granite here from Hero Arts, and I'm going to stamp this sentiment twice. This sentiment reads, "Believe you can fly." Isn't it beautiful? It also has another sentiment that says, "Spread your wings," and then another one, "Never lose hope." Just so beautiful. So here I am, I'm making sure, because I've got the Misty and I've used the Misty, I'm able to stamp that twice. And then I'm adhering then with foam mount the butterfly here. And that's it. Isn't it such a quick, simple card creation? Really easy to do and very blingy. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and leave me a comment on the Wow blog. We would love to hear from you, and also on the YouTube here. See you later.